Good morning, ladies. Java is a powerful, object-oriented language that is used for building a wide range of applications, from mobile apps to large enterprise systems. Listen, this video's for the haters. I know you all hate Java, but I gotta talk about it. Java is object-oriented, which already makes it better than C, but it also makes the code modular, flexible, and extendable. However, Java is a little different from all of the other object-oriented programming languages out there, and this is thanks to the JVM, or the Java Virtual Machine. All code written in Java is compiled and ran through the JVM, and the Java Virtual Machine is cross-platform. So yeah, that means Java is write once, run anywhere. And unlike all those trash low-level languages that we deal with, Java is super strong with its memory management thanks to garbage collecting, exception handling, and built-in security features. Java's JIT, or just-in-time compiler, enables high performance, which almost brings it up to speed numbers close to native programming languages. And Java's standard library is huge. I mean, with just the standard library alone, you can cover networking, data structures, and build GUIs that actually look pretty good. To start with Java, you have to download the JDK, or the Java Development Kit. This contains all of the things that you need to develop Java applications, such as the JRE, or the Java Runtime Executable, which allows you to run Java programs that you write. It also contains the compiler, Java C, and other development tools. Listen, this is the point where I start losing people, so bear with me, please. If you're completely new to Java, and you've heard the meme that Java is completely boilerplate driven, this is where you'll start to understand that. To write just the main method, you need public static void main string args. Hopefully I didn't lose you yet. Inside of here is the main entry point for all of your applications. And let's print something to the console, because why not? Surely it can't be that bad, right? System.out.println. Oh my god, dude. Listen, I know the boilerplate is rough, but hear me out. Java is the first programming language that I learned on my coding journey. And maybe it was because it's the first language I learned, but in my opinion, I found Java to be one of the most readable and writable languages that I've ever worked with. In my time, I've written Windows GUIs with Java, application programming interfaces or APIs, and even plugins for a Minecraft server. And this just kind of proves to you how versatile Java really is. It honestly seems like most projects across the industry are still stuck on Java 8. And I will admit, Java 8 lacks some serious language features in comparison to other solutions in the industry. But as of right now, the newest versions of Java are starting to come out with these features, and it's starting to catch up to the industry standard. I mean, Java's older than me, but I guess congratulations for finally starting to catch up. I want to go back to the Java ecosystem though. I really cannot stress enough how versatile Java really is. There are frameworks and tools that allow web development like Spring, and even the Android app development SDK is natively Java. Listen, I'll allow you to flame me in the comments, but my first IDE was Eclipse. I didn't know any better, okay? But I've since moved to IntelliJ, and all is good in the world now. Now listen, like I said earlier, this video is for the haters. So I might as well start to wrap up this video by talking about some of the things that people don't like about Java. You've seen the memes. Java is known for its boilerplate. It's really quite a verbose language. This means that tasks that you can achieve in fewer lines with other languages will take sometimes double the amount of code in Java. And also, even though I said Java is starting to catch up to the speed numbers of native languages, it's really not quite there. Java is definitely slower than native languages like C and C++, and this is mostly because it's a bytecode compiled language that runs on the Java Virtual Machine. And this can also kind of tie into its memory consumption. Like I said just a second ago, Java runs on a virtual machine which is hosted in memory, and it also does all of its garbage collection through memory. So in comparison to languages that support manual memory management, Java will end up using a lot more of it during runtime. Another thing Java is criticized for, which I have actually noticed before, is its slow startup time when working on desktop applications. Like when I double click an application to run a jar file, it could be half a second, maybe even a second until I see the application start up on my desktop. But this criticism kind of goes hand in hand with the criticism that Java isn't really as suitable for smaller, lightweight applications. And in a world of microservices and serverless architectures, Java can prove to be sometimes less suitable than other lightweight and flexible languages like Python, Go, or JavaScript. And finally, Java has one of the largest communities in the programming space. Largest community of programmers and largest community of haters. But if you find yourself on the right side of Stack Overflow, you can find some amazing references, educational resources, and documentation on pretty much any project you could be working on. And it pains me to end the yap sesh, but most important thing of all, what do I think about it? 9 out of 10. That coffee cup looks so damn good.